Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Friday, October the 7th, getting set to cruise into a nice weekend. And what about next week? Any rain around here? It's been pretty quiet for a long time. We'll check the Skycam shots, and let's go back to the sunset yesterday. Woo, boy, this was good stuff. That's the sunset as seen from the Gulf Shores Skycam. The sun going down right during the middle of our 6 o'clock weather segment in the evening. I love that. The sky had that great texture thanks to a few high clouds. Pretty much the same view coming from the Inverness Skycam. That's the view coming from the Wingate Inn overlooking Highway 280. You know, it's awfully nice. Sometimes we'll focus that camera on that traffic down below, but you turn that thing around and you see sights like that. And boy, look at the sunset down at Gulf Shores. Just beautiful. And this morning, that's the Tuscaloosa Skycam. Things are nice and quiet. Water vapor satellite imagery, very familiar scene there. Cold trough out west, warm ridge over the east. And that means that we'll have very similar weather like we've seen in recent days. Lots of sunshine today with a warm afternoon. Look at the temperatures this morning. Look at that big tongue of warm air coming up over the midsection, and behind that, under the trough, it is cold with 20s out there over the mountains of Colorado and Utah, where they had some pretty good snow yesterday and last night. Also cold up in the northern tip of New England. Check the convective outlook today. Slight risk of severe weather ahead of the trough from near Lubbock, Texas, up into the Plain States. But around here, we're dry, and this is the rain for the next 5 days. And really and truly, this seems to be a little overdone for us. I don't think it rains much at all next week. This is valid through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock with this tropical wave-type feature. It's got big rains on the South Atlantic coast, and really and truly, the most significant rain probably will be east of here. Could there be a shower? Yes, Monday or Tuesday, but I don't think we see that much. Tropical weather, Philippe. You know, this thing's a hurricane now. 90-mile-per-hour winds. That is a survivor. This has just been hanging around for a long time, but it is on the way out. Hey, it's headed for the North Pole or something there. It'll be far up in the North Atlantic toward Greenland by the middle of next week as it's hung up in the westerlies. Look at the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 7 o'clock local time this evening. Look at the 588 ridge north of us, kind of holding the trough out west in the same place, and accordingly, the weather not changing much today. Sunny with low 80s, just like yesterday. Gorgeous. Tomorrow, starting off the weekend, again, you can see the cool high over Chesapeake Bay kind of nosing in here from the east, so might be a smidgen cooler with upper 70s. A little moisture down south. Could be a few showers well below Montgomery down toward the Gulf Coast, but not many. Sunday, same deal, partly sunny. And again, some evidence of Atlantic moisture trying to creep in here on Sunday. And, you know, you look at that, and we might want to just consider just the chance of a shower Sunday afternoon for perhaps the eastern part of the state. And we, again, if the 12Z run comes in like that, we'll mention that. But, again, for most of the state, we don't think it will rain. The sky probably becoming partly to mostly cloudy on Sunday with mid-70s as we start to cool down a bit. All right, Monday, the big western trough is lifting out way north of us, and down below that, again, there's that 1,008 millibar low down around Lake Okeechobee. And some evidence of slight moisture increase here, so we'll mention a small chance of a shower, but obviously it's not going to rain much if it rains at all. There's Tuesday, the surface low is near Savannah, and, you know, we're on the dry side, no rain at all here if this is right. And then Wednesday, that tropical wave is moving northeast away from us. Got a cold front coming in from the west. And again, there's some evidence, you know, you might mention a slight chance of a shower, but, you know, don't count on it. We'll check the European. This is valid Tuesday. And notice how it is now in agreement with the GFS. It's got the deeper moisture east of here with the low moving northeast. So now the models are in pretty good agreement. So, you know, you could mention a slight chance of a shower Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but no big deal. There's Thursday. Here comes the front, and with that front, again, you'll need to mention a chance of showers probably maybe Thursday night. This map is actually valid Thursday evening at 7, so maybe Thursday night a few showers around. And then Friday, a week from today, Strong trough lifting northeast. The cold front is on by. We're getting into nice, cooler, drier air. And the following day, just for the fun of it, this is Saturday, October 15th. Gorgeous if this is right. And by the way, that's the day of Weather Fest at the McWane Science Center in downtown Birmingham as we kick off the National Weather Association annual meeting. Some of the greatest weather minds in the world will be here, and that's the public event. And it looks like the weather should be just gorgeous. We'll check the end of the forecast, October 22nd. Look at that nice trough passing through here. Cold front, good round of rain if this is right, and then just maybe we turn cooler beyond that. But, of course, this is out there in the land of voodoo. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, don't forget to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday, and God bless.